See, you know, in American culture, man, it ain't like other cultures. You know what I'm saying? In American culture, man, it's like, you're not cool unless you're degrading somebody or laughing at somebody or putting somebody down. See, a lot of other cultures don't do that kind of shit. Like, you know, like, what type of motherfucker are you if you gonna degrade somebody for no fucking reason? You know what I'm saying? Like, you gonna laugh at a nigga for no... I mean, if I see some shit, you know, like a bro was saying last night, she was like, yeah, don't it disgust you to see a bra with big titties and they sagging? She ain't got no bra on in the store. And you know what I told her? Man, I don't give a fuck about that bitch, man. That bitch ain't got no head, man. Like, bro, that's not my fucking business, man. I don't have time to even think about that bitch, man. I need to get this guapolino. That's all I need to focus on is this money. You know what I mean? Man, I don't got time for nothing else. Don't shit else matter to me, for real. You know, man, such and such doing this. Bro, I don't give a fuck about them niggas. Never will, never have. For what? You sitting around talking about them niggas, what that's gonna do for my favor? My talents, my gift. Man, I don't have time for this shit. Fuck all that. I came for this guap. Tell that. Tell somebody that shit. You know what I mean? I want this fucking money. That's all I want. I don't want to hear nobody's fucking opinion. Bruh, fuck all that. Tell that shit to somebody else. Nigga, this shit about guap. Period. Money talk, bullshit run the fucking marathon. That's basically it. We either gonna get money together or we just ain't gonna fuck with each other. But all that hating and I ain't got time for this stupid ass shit.